Rajasthani variety, we come back to Delhi, where this spectacle brings aloud the story or the occasion of a wedded bride being taken to the future home by a palanquin bearers. The joy of bearers in ensuring the bride reaching her destination safely is depicted in this dola. Can you imagine what kind of preparation must have gone on in preparation of this, in preparing for this, Praful?
Too much of hard work by the children. I'm telling you, this calls for great amount of work and strain. And with that we come to Chhattisgarhi Karma. Chhattisgarh tribe and folk artists are performing the Karma dance. The dancers wear headgears with shells and peacock feather and use dholaks, nagada and mandal. This dance is performed generally after worshipping goddess Durga. South Central Zone Cultural Center.
सुमिरत मैया दुर्गा भवानी सुमिरत
And with that we have
गणतंत्र दिवस पर ये
बरसाने
होली
की
की
होली.
धमाल कैसी?
Holi
देखिए
is
तो
most
रंग,
popular
गुलाल,
festival in
अबीर
Mathura.
लेकर ग्वालियर
Barsana
होलियां
and
राजपथ
Nandgaon, the
पर
two
आते
places where the Holi is played regularly, alternately in each village. The Holi in Barsana in Uttar Pradesh is presented by the artists from Allahabad, celebrating. This is celebrated during Fagun, of course, and this festival of color traces its origin to Lord Krishna and Radha. The men and women gather together to play Holi at Barsana.
While the Barsane ki Holi was played just a while ago, you can play your own in just a few weeks' time here in India and abroad, wherever people from India are living. But then, here and now, we go to Meghalaya. The sword dance is on show here. This one comes from Northeast Zone Cultural Center, Dimapur. The sword dance is a manifestation of thanksgiving to God with joy after victory at war. The dance is performed with a sword, symbolizing the brave warrior, and the simpaya, turf, symbolizing peace with the neighbor, God and heart. The male dancer has a quiver and arrows apart from the sword. Just look for the details. If you think of folk dances, can you ignore Punjab? You cannot. Welcome to Punjab, the land of warriors, a land of lovers like Heer Ranjha and Shiri Farhad as well. Sami was a beautiful tribal woman who fell in love with Dhola, who promised to return. The friends of Sami praise her beauty and reassure that Dhola will come. Let us hope and pray that Dhola will soon come to bring joy in the eyes of Sami. But now we move on. Something more dramatic, something more skillful, something more daredevilry here on shore. Welcome, Tornadoes, the Army Service Corps Tornadoes team in action. The team comes in the leadership of Captain Anurag Malhotra and Captain Samrit Chibba. They're leading this team of 2 officers, 1 JCO and 90 highly skilled motorcycle riders. These riders, along with their 30 trusted silver machines, the Tornadoes, through their daredevilry, carry the message of physical fitness, courage and determination. Look on your screen, look at the action that is to follow. The team that holds the world record of mounting 34 men on a single motorbike and riding it for 600 meters. They've also performed during Asian Games 1982, Indira Gandhi International Hockey Tournament, and won accolades. They've been recognized. They have to their credit 1 Vishish Seva Medal, 6 Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card, and various certificates of merit. That is Tornadoes on shore here. Look at these men of great skill, men of great confidence in their silver machine. Coming in. You have to see to believe how they perform with such perfect ease. A motorcycle with a ladder on top. What a remote sensing, what a remote control. Perfect skill, perfect balancing, perfect confidence. The king enjoys the show and the president does as well. And these are the 2 leaders, Captain Anurag Malhotra and Captain Samrit Chibba. They salute the Supreme Commander of India's Armed Forces, and this one with a ladder comes along without any problem, that one mounted over another. and both of them mounted on their silver machine. Look at that. Beautifully, with perfect ease, they go across. And the president acknowledges, waves them, all the very best boys, he says. And all kinds of acrobatics being done here. And why we do that, there's fly past as well. One Mi-17 flanked by two Mi-17s and two Mi-35. The fly past has also started. This formation being led by Wing Commander Chandrasekhar. As the tornadoes walk away, also go away the big rotor, Squadron Leader Chaudhary, Squadron Leader Vishwajit Kumar, Wing Commander Lal and Squadron Leader John are flying the other aircraft that you just saw go by. And there is more to action. There is more to come here. That is the insignia of Army Service Corps. Here on ground, where there is plenty of action in the skies as well. The spectators do not know where to look, here or up above in the sky. There is plenty more. The tornadoes driving off in style, in the most colorful attires, carrying the tricolor, the Indian Tiranga being carried away by them. The big boy formation will now come in. One IL-78, two AN-32s and two Dorniers, which will soon be appearing. This clear blue sky that you can see now. Your camera catches so beautifully. One IL-78, two AN-32s and two Dorniers being led by Wing Commander Kapoor, captains of the other crowd being Squadron Leader Matharu, Squadron Leader Galot, Squadron Leader Mathiman and Flight Lieutenant Faisal. The perfect ease, the big machines just fly across over Rajpath to the great amazement and joy to thousands and thousands of people congregated here at Rajpath. About 2 kilometers span of Rajpath being thronged by people of India from all corners of India. The president looks on. This scientist president, the leader president, leader of vision, the president who has given this slogan Pura, and the king of Bhutan, the chief guest on this Republic Day parade, King Jigme Singye Wangchuk, and the Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, looking with satisfaction. And the gallery has people from Bhutan. And here we see the big boy tanker, Su-30 IL-78 Squadron Leader Tapesh Shankar, Wing Commander Sandeep Singh and Squadron Leader Srivastav. Just saw the action in the sky.
The big bird giving way to the fighter.
There's so much happening in the sky. You'll just come across more action in the sky. Next will be the Arrowhead formation of 5 Jaguars, the deep penetration strike aircraft. Wing Commander Kishore Khera is leading the formation this year. Squadron Leader Joshi, Squadron Leader Rawat, Flight Lieutenant Vishal Gupta and Flight Lieutenant Devashish are flying these aircrafts. We'll just wait for them. They'll just be coming across. You'll watch what great coordination, what great skill is required, what great confidence is required for this sort of a thing. High speed show here. You can see on your camera. Look at that. Look at that beautiful spectacle. Going across Arrowhead formation, they can really create devastation in the enemy camp when they have to get down to business. That is the Arrowhead formation of 5 Jaguars, the deep penetration strike aircraft. They can create havoc in the enemy camp, in the battlefield. And the Arrowhead now will be followed by a Trishul formation comprising 1 Su-32 MiG-29. And look at that! Wing Commander A. Rathore will fly the Su-30 and carry out 3.5 ton vertical Charlie. Will soon, you can see that vertical Charlie, 2.5 ton. The MiG-29s are being flown by Squadron Leader Man and Flight Lieutenant Jagdeep Shetty. What a great work done by our cameraman from Doordarshan here, from Rajpath. What a great spectacle. People are looking up and the aircrafts are going their different bases. Where they came from, they combined somewhere across just for this show. and performed so majestically here at Rajpath. But back to Mother Earth, we see the President's bodyguard now coming back, taking their place to take the President away, along with the chief guest on the occasion, the King of Bhutan, back to Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President's bodyguard is here to The President's bodyguard is here. Colonel Bhavani Singh, the Commandant. The fly past was the grand finale of this wonderful, exciting parade of the 56th Republic Day of India. On this occasion, the President has announced several awards which have gone to the people who have served the motherland well. The Padma Vibhushan this year goes to Balkrishna Goyal for medicine, Bhai Mohan Singh industry, late J.N. Dikshit civil service, Karan Singh public affairs, MBS Valiathan medicine, Milan Banerjee public affairs, Mohan Dharia social work, Pandit Ram Narayan art, and R.K. Lakshman, the famous Colonel Bhavani Singh. That brings us to the end of this 56th Republic Day parade celebrations here in New Delhi. The tricolored balloons goes up as if symbolizing the aspirations and hopes of the people. The chief guest of the occasion, His Majesty King Jigme Singh Ji Wangchuk, also prepares to leave along with the President of India. We wish him goodbye. We thank him for being here along with Crown Prince Jigme Khesar Namgyal Wangchuk. Away these balloons go away in the background of beautiful clear blue sky, and the President along with the King and the Prime Minister and other dignitaries, including the Vice President Mr. Bhairav Singh Shekhawat, prepare to leave the Rajpath for their places of living in Rashtrapati Bhavan and others. The smart pilots escort the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who waves out to the people, his friends and admirers. The Prime Minister bids farewell to the President. The Defence Minister, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, also bids goodbye, and the King shakes a hand or two as well. This telecast came to you from Doordarshan India, which was not only being telecast for the viewers within India, but also across nations to our viewers who are the lovers of India. This is Major Vinod Krishna along with my friend Wing Commander Praful Bukshi, wishing all our countrymen, all the lovers of India, all the very best and great greetings on the 56th Republic Day of India. The motorcade. Wing Commander Praful Bakshi and me, Major Vinod Krishna, have had a great pleasure of describing the proceedings, and a great honor indeed of describing the proceedings here at Rajpath. As we see the President's bodyguard taking their places under the leadership of Colonel Bhavani Singh, the presidential motorcade just moves away in style. And in the background you see the Rashtrapati Bhavan in the silhouette, and this spectacle once again brings these celebrations on this 56th Republic Day of India coming to a close. But then there's more to go. The celebrations will go on in all parts of the country, and with our greetings to all of you, our viewers, we wish you goodbye and take you back to the studios.